Your logo shouldn't take weeks or a designer's retainer. Most business owners are stuck choosing between generic logo makers or expensive agencies. What if you could get a professional, one-of-a-kind logo in minutes, built exactly for your brand? That's Design.com. The AI instantly creates original, commercially safe logos tailored to your business, then lets you refine them with a simple chat. No design skills, no guesswork, just results. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, head over to the official Design.com website. I've linked it in the description below. Once you're on the site, click Log In. You'll see options to continue with Google or Facebook. I'll go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account. And just like that, we're in. Before we dive into logo creation, here's a quick look at what Design.com can do. From this dashboard, you can generate logos based on popular keywords and industries, create business cards from ready-made categories, and design social media posts for YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and more. You can even build full websites, claim domain names, and create digital business cards, all from one platform. But for this tutorial, we're keeping it simple and focused on logo creation. If you already have a logo, you can upload it here and modify it. But I'm going to show you how to create one completely from scratch. Under this tab, you'll see several options: logo, website, business card, and more. Select Logo. Now, here's the important part, the prompt bar. This is where you describe exactly what you want. I'm creating a logo for a YouTube channel called Guru Tech Solutions, so I'll write a prompt asking for a modern, minimalist logo with tech-related elements, things like circuit patterns and a neural network motif. I'll also specify the color palette I want. The more specific you are here, the better your results will be. You can also add your business name and relevant keywords in the fields provided. I've already included mine directly in the prompt. Once your prompt is ready, hit Enter. Within seconds, the AI generates a huge batch of logo options based on your prompt. In this case, it created 14,400 unique logos from a single click. Scroll through the pages and browse until you find one that fits your brand. Once you spot one you like, select it, and that's when the real customization begins. After selecting a logo, you'll get access to a full editing suite. Let's go through the key tools. Text. Change the wording, font, size, and color. You can even curve the text along a path for a more dynamic look. Layout. Adjust the overall structure and arrangement of your logo to match your style. Background. Change the background color. I'll switch mine from yellow to black for a bolder look. Logo colors. Fine-tune individual parts of your logo with different colors rather than sticking to a single, uniform palette. Graphics. Search or browse categories to add extra design elements or icons if your logo needs them. Animation. Yes, you can even animate your logo for use in videos or digital platforms. AI-powered editing, the game changer. Here's the feature that really sets this tool apart: AI-powered editing. Instead of manually adjusting every detail, you can simply type what you want changed. For example, I wanted to remove the space between Guru and Tech in my logo. I typed that request into the prompt bar, hit Enter, and within seconds, the space was gone, exactly as asked. This makes fine-tuning your logo incredibly fast, even if you don't have any design experience. Saving, sharing, and downloading. Once you're happy with your logo, click Save. Your progress is stored instantly. From here, you can generate a shareable link to post your logo on social media, or send it directly to clients and collaborators for feedback. Now let's download the final version. Click Download, and you'll land on this screen with several options to customize your export. You can choose between the full logo with a buffer or without one. You can also download it with text, without text, on a transparent background, or a solid background. And when it comes to file format, you've got choices like JPG, PNG, and more. For this one, I'll go with the full logo, no buffer, solid background, and I'll export it as a PNG. Hit download, and within seconds, your logo is ready to use for your channel, your website, your merch, wherever you need it. Now, here's where this tool really surprises you. Head back to My Logos, and you'll notice an option to Create New Design. Click it, and it takes you to an entirely new interface, one where your logo has already been automatically applied to a whole library of templates. We're talking website designs, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, email signatures, Instagram stories, PowerPoint presentations, t-shirts, resumes, and a lot more. In other words, your AI-generated logo isn't just a standalone file, it becomes the foundation for your entire brand. One logo, dozens of ready-to-use designs, all generated instantly. That's what makes Design.com stand out. It's not just a logo maker, it's a complete branding tool, and honestly, one of the most powerful ones we've seen in 2026. And that's it. A complete, professional-looking logo created in minutes, no designer needed. If you're looking for a fast, affordable way to build your brand identity in 2026, Design.com is absolutely worth trying. Just follow the steps in this video, and you'll have your own logo ready to go. Link to the tool is in the description below. If this helped you out, drop a comment and let us know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.